Alright, today we're going to be sharpening commercial blades on the Oregon blade sharpener, commercial mower blades. You do have to watch the end for burn marks. But mainly you can get a nice sharp blade. This is pretty sharp here. This is pretty good. But we'll show you. We'll check to see what it looks like on the balancer. So here we are. Going to install on the balancer. So just your typical blade balancer. See what it looks like. So obviously it's a little heavy on this side, so we'll just have to trim a little bit once it settles down. It's not horrible. I mean, it needs to come out. So we'll just take a little bit more meat off this side here. See, I'm not really touching the blade. I'm more taking meat off of this part of the blade, not this part. What we just want to do is balance it out. All we're looking to do is balance it out, so we're just taking off of here, not here. I don't want to mess with the sharpness, but it's a good sharpness already. Okay, we'll take a look to see what that looks like on the balancer. All fixable. Okay, we'll give this one a try. Well, I think that's pretty much as good as it's going to get. It's pretty straight, pretty balanced. So I'm happy with that result.